Good day, everyone! Today, we are gonna be solving real-life problems with the use of quadratic equations. Since the age of Peter is unknown, we are gonna be putting the x within the 11 years. The age of Peter will be x plus 11. The age of Peter will be half the square of 13 years ago. So the equation will be x plus 11 equals open parenthesis x minus 13 squared. And it also states that his age is gonna be half the square. So we are gonna be putting it over 2. So now that we have the equations, we are gonna be going to Earl so that he's gonna be discussing it. Thank you.
So first of all, we will gonna solve the x minus 13 squared. We will gonna solve it by putting x minus 13 open parenthesis x minus 13. And by that, we will gonna use FOIL method to solve this problem. After solving, the answer must come out to be like this: x squared minus 13x minus 13x plus 169. But that's not final yet. So we will gonna add the like terms, which is 13x and 13x. So our equation would be x squared minus 26x plus 169. So now we have answered the x minus 13. So we're gonna leave it there. And then let's gonna multiply the other side to cancel out the number 2. So it would become 2x plus 22. So we need to transpose and move expression to the left hand side and change its sign. So from 26 plus 22 equals x squared minus 26x plus 169, it will become 2x plus 22 minus x squared plus 26x minus 169 equals to 0 because we transposed it. So we need to collect like terms, which is 2x and 26x, then 22 and negative 169. So after we collect it, we calculate it. So we will gonna add 2x and 26x because they are both positive signs. So it will become 28x. Then we will gonna subtract 22 and negative 169 because they have opposite signs. So it will become negative 147. So our equation would be 28x minus 147 minus x squared is equal to 0. Then change the signs on both sides of the equations. So we change it from 28x minus 147 minus x squared is equal to 0. It will become minus 28x plus 147 plus x squared is equal to 0. Then use the commutative property to reorder the terms. So from negative 28x plus 147 plus x squared is equal to 0, it will become x squared minus 28x plus 147 is equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 28x plus 147 is equal to 0. So now we will gonna use factoring method to solve this kind of problem. So first, we need to find the factors of negative 28 and positive 147. So if you already find the factors must be x minus 7 and x minus 21. So if we try to check it, we will gonna use the FOIL method. So it will become x squared minus 21x minus 7x plus 147. But as I have said earlier, we will gonna add the like terms, or we will gonna add or subtract if opposite sign the like terms. So it will become x squared minus minus 28x plus 147 is equal to 0. The factors negative 7 and negative 21 is not final yet. So, when the product of the factors equals to 0, at least one of the factor is 0. So, we will change the signs of negative 7 and negative 21 to its opposite. It should become positive 7 and positive 21, because if we have 0, it will automatically be positive. So the age of Peter is 21 because it states that his age is half the square 13 years ago. So his age must not be 13 below, but his age must be 13 above. So his age recently is 21. So that's it. We solve real life problems with the use of quadratic equations or formula. So thank you and goodbye.